This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the watch is reachable and updated. This prevents sync errors later. Once done, unlock the watch and go straight to Settings or open the companion app on your phone. Make sure you back up the current profile or note critical preferences so you can restore if needed. You're beginning the change now to avoid interruptions. This setup step explains why connectivity and a saved profile matter before you alter profiles or permissions. You next locate profiles or accounts and pick the profile you want to change. This determines which settings and data are affected. Once selected, edit permissions such as notifications, health data sharing, location, and app access because these control privacy and battery life. Make changes to display settings, watch faces, activity goals, and app shortcuts so the profile reflects how you use the device. As you tweak each option, check the immediate effects to verify the desired behavior. You finish by saving your edits and forcing a sync through the watch or companion app so both devices share the new profile. Once synced, verify by testing notifications, sensors, and watch face behavior to confirm everything works as expected. If something breaks, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart both watch and phone, then repair if necessary. Make sure to restore the backup only if problems persist. This sequence ensures the new profile is applied and recoverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.